You don't have to break the bank on beauty products. This just in.
This is very true. Breaking news. We have Missy Lovett, professional makeup artist. Okay, just because a product is high budget doesn't mean it's necessarily better, right?
Guys, there are products under 25 bucks that will give us phenomenal results. Yes. I know, right? Starting off with, are you guys fans of dry shampoo?
Yeah, every day of my life.
So this formula from the UK, this is from COLAB. This company started there. They've actually just moved it over here to the US so that we can have access to this line at Target and Walmart. $5.49 for one of these bottles.
What?
And there's no white residue. It doesn't leave your hair feeling all gross. Yeah, we've got to try this.
Okay, I mean, it smells like it because you guys were spraying like crazy.
Grab this
it's amazing.
This is
Which
unicorn
one?
fragrance.
Oh, unicorn.
And I've always wanted to know, what does a unicorn smell like?
Let's smell it.
But with this, you're just going to spritz it into your roots like you would just normal dry shampoo.
So with dry hair.
Yeah, dry shampoo is just so awesome. But this one, again,
that
I
one
have dark
smells
hair.
really good.
There's no
I
white
can't
residue.
believe
You smell like a unicorn.
Oh
my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, this is paradise. I'm gonna spray this one.
That one smells delicious.
Do you want me doing yours? Do you want me doing mine?
Do it on yours.
Wait, I don't know what I'm doing.
I want you to feel it. Like, feel how there's no residue.
This smells like I'm in Hawaii.
It really
It
does.
smells so
Actually,
good.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't believe you can spray that on your dark of hair. Because
I know.
you were just
no-
talking about this
my
earlier.
hair,
It's white even in my hair.
Right.
So that shows nothing.
There's a reason why they've sold over 10 million cans.
Well, this says
Wow.
without
That's a lot of
white
cans.
residue. Like that's what it specializes
Exactly.
in. So
I just wanna
$5.49.
spray 'em
It's a
all.
great buy. Then we move on to a luxurious lipstick from Ecru, New York.
okay.
I am not a lipstick wearer until I found a Velvet Air weightless lipstick.
I don't love the
like
matte.
to feel
A
it.
nice
No.
description.
Yes.
Okay, so this will be interesting for you. So go ahead and grab your color.
Okay.
I will grab this one.
Okay.
Let me show you. So because
I'll
it's a
supervise,
Velvet Air, yeah, let us know if we're going outside the lines.
It's like butter.
I
It's
don't
like
know
butter.
how you're actually doing this without
And
a
then
mirror.
what's really cool about this, you guys, is it goes on as a satin finish. But if you take your finger and you just rub it, it instantly turns to a matte.
Okay, I have to
getting
say,
what
but
that
it doesn't
about?
feel dry like the other ones
No,
usually do.
it's super rich moisturizing lipstick. So this is one you're going to want to have in your beauty routine for sure.
This is sultry
Do you have a
coral.
notepad?
I know. Can we
This
take
was
notes?
$24
Yes.
from Ecru,
Rub
New
a
York.
finger.
It is a luxurious lipstick.
And look at
I
all the
highly
beautiful
recommend that one.
colors. Okay.
Oh, I love it. Oh,
Now
gosh.
let's move on to Spongelle.
Okay.
Spongelle.
This is
I like the sounds of
the
this.
glamour body loofah.
Okay.
This has infusions of moisturizer, body wash. It's got everything you need. It eliminates 6 products. and
In
puts
the
it all
sponge?
In one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here. so you
Science
guys-
experiment.
I
yes.
want you guys to see and smell how lovely this is. You can use this over 14 times. And I mean, look how much soap we're getting off of here.
You guys, that smells so
and
good.
it's super soft. So, I mean, my hands feel amazing after this. So your body is just going to love you.
You just get in there.
Yeah,
Right,
it's
there you go.
$14, and they have so many different fragrances. They have their box sets that they have as well, but oh, it feels so good, right?
Think of all the products you're
That one
eliminating
smells-
in your shower
Look
when
at
you do this.
And for my girls, my teens,
That's so fun.
please.
Okay, you have one more.
I'm loving it.
The last one, but not least, is from Vitabrid, and this is a vitamin C serum. They have their exclusive stabilized vitamin C, so that means we actually are absorbing and using the vitamin C in it. So everybody should have
I
this.
didn't even know you needed that.
I
Did
didn't
you?
either.
I'm here
No.
today to tell you, this normally retails for $62. I'm here to give you guys a coupon code that you can get it for $9.90.
Okay.
And that code
Great.
is Allure20,
Allure 20. Okay,
Yes.
where can we find all of this, Missy?
rebelbeauty.com.
You put it on your
smells so
face.
good.
You're gonna put it on your face. So I even put it over my makeup, and I put it right underneath my eyes for that little awakening effect.
Look at this. Get all of the amazing deals right here.
Thank you so
love
much.
it.
We'll be right back.